I'm Tristan, and welcome to Plastic Oddities. Alright, back with a tool review. Now, if you've seen any of my tool reviews in the past, you know I go for the unusual stuff. And I honestly have no idea how I found this on eBay. This is another eBay impulse purchase. But when I saw it, I was just like, dude, I gotta buy this. This is rubbish. So, when you've been building something, have you ever cut yourself? Or if you're a part of a Facebook group or anything like that, have you seen those pictures where people post up photos of themselves, with blood pouring out their fingers, or, the worst one I've heard is actually someone putting a knife through their thigh, which I thought was kind of an impressive feat. But yeah, so have you ever, seen those pictures and gone, oh, what the hell? If only there was something that you could buy that would protect yourself from cuts from an errant hobby knife swipe.
I'd buy that for $1.
There is. These weren't that expensive. But look, I've got genuinely no idea how good these are. They're by Alexen model, who is a company out of China, I believe, and they do kind of like all these really interesting little tools. Usually it's photo etch stuff that they make. Is this, no, it's not. I just thought I might have had an Alexen thing. But yeah, so they're a no-name group, and they have brought to the market a set of cut-proof finger guards. Yes, just let that sink in. Cut-proof finger guards. So yeah, we're going to have a look at them today and see if they actually work. All right, take two. So here we have the Alexen model FG-CR005 finger guards. So again, typical packaging. On the back we have just advertising, what they sell type thing. So they do some good stuff. So it's stencils, sanders, and line scribers. I have an example here of one of their line scribers. It's for doing chamfering and stuff like that. So it's they specialize mainly in photo etch. Not too bad. But the actual product. So you get 5 finger guards. God, this is rubbish. And essentially they go on your finger like that. I'm assuming you're supposed to put all of them on. I'm not going to do that because it's actually really awkward. Those of us with kids, if you've ever sort of watched your kids put gloves on for the first time, you'd know what this is like. It's just really odd. But yeah, so that's the gloves. And one for your thumb. I'm not going to put that on. And they're very, very stylish. But the big test is, are they cut proof? So it's my knife. Just show you that the knife is sharp. So cutting through some styrene. It is sharp. Cut paper. No, it is sharp. And big test. They were. I don't know. Let's try it for real. Well, I'm actually surprised. They work. Of course they work. So that's the Alexen cut-proof finger glove thingies. I don't know what they're actually called. I can't remember how much they cost, but I'll look up on my eBay history and and put a price on the screen around here somewhere. But yeah, so look, if you're a klutz, a putz, and you don't want to cut yourself and you want to look stylish as you're doing it, a nice fit, yeah, check them out. So it's the Alexen model FGCR005. So they've got these on eBay, but I'm sure you can probably get them from a variety of stores. Made in China. Yeah, it's a cat.
I'd buy that for $1.